Hey everyone, and welcome back to another review from Longhorn Tactical. My name is Michaela, and today we're going to go over one of the newest from Fenix, the PD26R Ace. While it may be small, don't let its small size fool you. It's a powerhouse in its own right. And with 3 different presets, it'll be perfect for both work and play. While you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can get notifications on all our latest videos. We've got a lot to go over, so let's go ahead and jump on in. The PD26R Ace is going to be a great pocket-sized flashlight that will fit in any role, whether that's as an EDC light, a patrol light, or even a tactical light if you can't find your usual. Taking a look at what all is included in the box, we have the USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a nylon holster, an adjustable lanyard, and all the documentation you'll need. Despite its small size, the PD26R Ace won't skimp out on brightness. With a maximum lumen count of 1300 lumens and a maximum throw of 387 yards, it offers the perfect amount of light for any situation. Its turbo mode will be great for scanning for any trespassers in a dark warehouse or checking for predators on a dark trail, while the 1 lumen eco mode will be great for digging through a backpack or if you find yourself wanting to do some late night reading. As we take a look at the beam of the PD26R Ace, we can see that it doesn't really have a full-on spotlight or floodlight. It's got more of a mixed beam, which in my opinion is going to be the best of both worlds, as it gives you the throw of a spotlight while also lighting up any potential blind spots like a floodlight. For those new to the channel, the Ace stands for Advanced Combat Edition. To keep a long story short, this gives the flashlight 3 different presets for you to choose from depending on what type of situation you're in: tactical, security, or everyday usage. This helps keep things streamlined and simple. After all, when you're in a high-stress tactical situation, the last thing you're going to want to do is fumble through a bunch of different light levels. Joey has done a great job of diving deep into this feature, and I'll link his video on it below for anyone who wants a better look at it. The PD26R Ace is going to have 5 different light levels for you to choose from. The turbo mode is going to shine at 1300 lumens with a 387 yard throw and will last for 1 hour and 2 minutes. High is going to have a maximum lumen count of 350 lumens with a 208 yard throw and will last for 2 hours and 13 minutes. Medium will have a maximum lumen count of 100 lumens with a 107 yard throw and a maximum battery life of 8 hours and 35 minutes. Low will have a maximum lumen count of 30 lumens with a throw of 59 yards and a maximum runtime of 27 hours and 7 minutes. And finally, the eco mode is going to shine at 1 lumen with a maximum throw of 9 yards and a maximum runtime of 556 hours. The PD26R Ace also features a 1300 lumen strobe light that will cycle between both the standard strobe speed and a slower speed to give any assailants a harder time adjusting. To top it off, we have an SOS mode that will shine at 30 lumens, which will excel at alerting others to your location. Fenix fans will be familiar with its 2-button interface. The tail button is going to be what turns the light on and off and is nestled between 2 wings, which will help protect against accidental activation, but the trade-off for this is that you won't be able to rest it on its tail end. I know most people don't really care about that, but for those who do, I see you and you're valid. The side switch is going to be what switches between each light level. The biggest feature of the PD26R Ace is going to be its Ace function or its set mode. This mode lets you limit your outputs depending on whatever situation you find yourself in by pressing the set button near the head of the light. Option 1 is going to excel in tactical situations, giving you access to just the turbo and the strobe. This will be a great option for those who really just want 2 different light levels, off and on. Option 2 is going to be best for patrols, giving you access to the high, the turbo, and the strobe. People who work in security will love this option as it gives you plenty of light for a quick walkthrough, but also lets you increase it if you need to take a closer look at a dark room. Finally, option 3 is going to be best for almost all other situations, giving you access to all 5 light levels as well as the strobe and the SOS. Additionally, the PD26R Ace is unique in that it gives you the ability to disable the strobe by holding down the set button if you feel like it'll be a hindrance more than a benefit. Recharging the PD26R Ace is easy. First and foremost, there is a USB-C charging port hidden behind the twist section of the body directly opposite the set button. However, you can also swap out the removable battery for charging on the go. The battery itself is going to last up to 556 hours on its lowest setting, and once it's depleted, it'll recharge in about 2 hours. Like most flashlights released these days, the PD26R Ace has a handy little battery indicator located in the side switch. The light will change color and or flash depending on how much battery life is left. A constant green light indicates that the battery is saturated. A flashing green light indicates a sufficient battery charge. A constant red light indicates a poor amount left. And a red flashing light indicates that there is a critical amount of battery life and it must be recharged. Measuring in at just over 4 inches and weighing 3.61 ounces, the PD26R Ace can fit perfectly in your hand or in your pocket. Fenix also includes a two-way clip, a holster, and a lanyard, providing you with plenty of ways to carry it. It's housed in a 6061 aluminum alloy body, making it sturdy without making it super heavy. Its IP68 waterproof rating means that it can work in all types of weather in any environment, rain or shine, humid or dry. No need to stress out about dropping it in a puddle or walking under a waterfall with it. It'll be able to handle the elements better than the Avatar. Personally, I really like the PD26R Ace. It's small and lightweight, but doesn't compromise on brightness and throw. Its set feature really makes it perfect for all types of work. You don't want to be fumbling through a bunch of different light levels in a high-stress environment, but you also want plenty of light levels for everyday usage. The PD26R Ace is going to be perfect for those who find themselves in a variety of situations who don't want to carry multiple lights. I like that it's small, but those with large hands might find it more cumbersome to hold than someone with my hand size. I'm also not a huge fan of the side switch. It sits pretty flush against the head of the light, and I had a hard time finding it in the dark. But overall, I think it's a great light that you can rely on no matter what situation you find yourself in. But enough about me. What are your thoughts on the PD26R Ace? The perfect all-in-one flashlight, or really too small to matter? Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay in the know, and we will see you next time.